Hi, Mina. We're going to be swatching every single lipstick I have, and we're going to be doing it in 2 or 3 parts. So let's go. If you're wondering what lenses these are, I will put them in the link below. My hair color is Hot Pink by Adore, and my dress is from Hot Topic. So let's go. This is Sanctuary by Kat Von D. This is the prettiest pink ever on the planet. This is Jeffree Star Prom Night. I'm serious, guys. This is the prettiest pink ever. I love it. This is Jeffree Star Jawbreaker. This is the ColourPop Sailor Moon collaboration in Moon Tiara. This is the KVD Lip Cream in Blossom. This is the 3CE lipstick in the shade 219. I have a lip tint from PERIPERA. This is Ink Airy Velvet 8, and this is described as a pretty orange pink. And they ain't lying. Very buttery. I personally don't purchase any MAC products because they test on animals, but I do receive them as gifts. I'm very iffy about. Shamelessly Vain by MAC, and I believe it's a satin finish. This one is by Anastasia Beverly Hills, and it's called Pure Hollywood, and we can all see why. It's that very nudie, beigey, pure color. Next, I have a Jeffree Star lip gloss in Silk Road. Cool, huh? This is MAC in the shade Work, Work, Work. I have LA Splash, the classic horror collection in Miss Invisible or Invisible Woman. I really love this color. It's a gray, green, and it has a little bit of a uniqueness to it. I really love it. But if you want, you can pick whichever color. I have lots of colors. You can play with whatever one. I have lots. See, I have a lot of orange. Next is Kat Von D Whiteout. Ooh. You can also use this to change up any lip color. This is Deep Rooted by MAC. I have a GEORGIOARMANI lipstick in the shade 405. This is very, very silky and very luxurious. It's a red shade. I'm not sure what it's called. It's just called 405. This is Pink Kitten by Jeffree Star. Another amazing pink. Love the name. Pink Kitten. This is the NYX Butter Gloss in Summer Fruit. Making me hungry. We have Jeffree Star in Queen Bee. I think with a lip liner and a little bit of glitter, anyone can make this work. KVD lipstick in Mother. So pretty. Etude House lipstick in RD 306. Just look how gorgeous this packaging is. I love Etude House. It is one of my favorite Korean brands. Sometimes I just like to put this a little bit in the center of my lips with some clear gloss. and it's really pretty. This is the Etude House Fix-It Tint in Ginger Milk Tea. All you need is some cookies. This is a Stila liquid lipstick in Sheer Rosabella. Jeffree Star in Bankroll. Very shimmery. This is Plum Oasis by Maybelline. This was a gift. Very shiny. Jeffree Star Top Shelf. DGAF by MAC. This is a satin. Special Order by Jeffree Star. This one is amazing. I love this one so much. Lovely Girl Lipstick by Lovely Girl Ellen. Very, very light lavender color. KVD lipstick in Ophelia. This is a very rare lipstick to find. I can only find this lipstick on eBay, and I have the tiny one. I love this one, and I'm trying to find the liquid lipstick of it. Ophelia. This is a damn gorgeous liquid lipstick by Too Faced. The name? Lady Balls. Very gorgeous, bright, vivid red liquid lipstick. This color is gorgeous. I'm gonna reach for it more often. Lady Balls. Jeffree Star in Androgyny. Androgyny is actually one of my favorite words. So pretty. We have High Society by Jeffree Star. My lips burn. Jeffree Star Flamethrower. Very cool name for this shade. One of my favorites again by Jeffree Star. His pinks are delicious. This one is called Rose Madder. I really love this color. It's so beautiful. It's so beautiful. Rose Madder. I'm going to say this now. Jeffree Star has the best pinks from an American brand. I do love the Korean brand more, but come on. This is just too good to be true. This is called Doll Parts. Sorry if I seem a bit down. I just sometimes get overwhelmed by things. Lipstick makes me happy, so work your magic on this depressed person.
A few moments later.
This is Jeffree Star Ice Tray. It's very sparkly and very pretty. And I'm sweating now. Jeffree Star I'm Nude. I'm cold too. Jeffree Star Virginity. Very, very pale pink nude. Jeffree Star Dirty Money. Jeffree Star Watermelon Soda. Another bright, beautiful, vibrant color. Again, call me biased. I really love his pinks. And this one is kind of like an orangey pink color. It's really, really pretty. Jeffree Star Wifey. Stay Curious from MAC. Okay guys, I'm calling it a night. My lips are so burning and itching, and they're just super red and irritated. I love you guys. Stay tuned for part 2. I really do love makeup and I love lipsticks. Don't forget to watch anime and subscribe to 7 Anime Freak here on YouTube. I love you guys. 사랑해. 800. Bye.